If you want to install Dynamic Island on Google Pixel 10 Pro, what you need to do is go to the Play Store, and then we can search for Dynamic Island. We can just type this name over here, and you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that use this Dynamic Island, that provide us this Dynamic Island. I'm going to use this one as an example. I'm going to install this one. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you for some reason. So let's get right into it. Once you open this app, the next thing that you need to do is tap on the next button here. And then we have instructions. So we need to go to select apps, and we need to choose apps that will be working with the Dynamic Island. So if you receive a notification from an app, then they will be displayed on the Dynamic Island. We can just tap all over here in the upper right corner in order to select everything, or you can go through the list and choose individually which apps should be synchronized with this feature. Now let's go to notification access. Over here we need to select dynamic spot, and we need to allow notification access. Then tap on draw on screen once, press allow, and then tap again in order to choose next. And then over here once again choose the app, and then enable the app over here. Now we can press done. If you see this Pro offer, we can tap on this X in the upper right corner to close it. And the app is pretty much now working and running, but we can also go to position in order to take a look at how the island looks like. So you can adjust, for example, the size of the Dynamic Island, and we can also move it up a little bit because it's not on the front camera, not in the same position. So we can try to center it. So for example, something like this looks pretty decent, I guess. And there we go. So this is how we can set up a Dynamic Island on our Google Pixel 10 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.